Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Madan Ghising Official. My name is Madan Tamang. Thank you so much for watching my first vlog and support me. Today is my second English learning vlog. I am still learning English. I make mistakes but I am not afraid. I believe that practice makes us better. Every day I learn a few new English words. I try to speak for a few minutes. Sometimes it is difficult, but I am never give up. Today I want to share my daily English practice with you. If you are also learning English, we can learn together. Please don't laugh at my mistakes. Instead, help me improve. If I say something wrong, please write to correct sentence in the comments. Your support means a lot to me. I will upload more English learning vlogs. I hope my English will improve little by little. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel Madan Ghising Official, and share this video with your friends. See you in my next vlog. Have a great day. Bye.